Good Friday evening. There's the view outside our studios here on East Market Street. We've had just a little bit of very light rain, enough to make it super humid, but there are certainly areas that are getting pounded with some heavy downpours. And first of all, we're going to go to Doppler radar. This is just a review over the last couple of hours, and you can see the general movement of showers and thunderstorms off to the east and southeast. Now we'll zoom in on Buckingham County. You remain under severe thunderstorm warning until 6:45. Southern reaches of the Buckingham County, south of Dillon under that warning, damaging wind gust up to 60. A lot of lightning with these storms as they move off to the east. Again, as we look farther off to southern sections of Buckingham, Andersonville, Curdsville, this will continue into Cumberland, and then basically along and east of the Route 15 corridor through Buckingham County, including Dillon, Rosny, Gold Hill, flood advisory until 9 o'clock, excessive rain, and that's mainly our big threat as we continue for several more hours. Some moderate to heavy rain here through Orange County into northern Louisa County, so east of Gordonsville, out toward Monrovia, Lahore, approaching the 522 corridor, and there's still more showers and thunderstorms across the Alleghenies, cresting over into western Augusta and western Rockingham County. So just because we've had a break or not much rain, we're not done with more showers and thunderstorms, and you can just see over the last several hours how this has all blossomed. Essentially, we have a front draped from northwest to southeast across the region, and with the daytime heating, disturbance along the front, it just fans the fire, if you will, for showers and thunderstorms to erupt during the afternoon and evening. So going forward, again, isolated damaging wind gusts. The flood threat's really the highest, and that's why as you look at the extensive nature of this flood watch, because we are in an environment in which these storms with this tropical humidity can be excessive rainers, plus we've already received rain this week, plus the ground in many locations is saturated. So that's the concern, but not everyone sees that. Temperatures have been knocked down, made up to a high of 88 this afternoon. Right now 80 at the airport, 78 in Stanton, 75 in Harrisonburg. It's 81 currently in Palmyra. And again, going forward, this may not be exact, but still the idea, some additional showers and thunderstorms past sunset, and then things will begin to wind down, especially after 10, 11 o'clock tonight. So that first alert is early tonight. Overnight lows will be in the upper 60s and lower 70s. There'll be some areas of fog to develop. Our Saturday will feature highs anywhere from the mid 80s to around 90. Once again, there'll be some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Same on Sunday as well. Could we see some isolated flash flooding? Yes. Could we see some isolated severe? Yes. Coverage may be a little less on Sunday, but we'll be watching the timing of a stronger front as we get into Sunday night and early Monday. So there's your quiet hours for Saturday morning before showers and thunderstorms develop during the afternoon. But not everyone sees the storm coverage. Just remember, if you're outdoors, thunder roars, move back inside. There we are Saturday evening, and then Sunday should start dry in the morning before some afternoon storms develop. But the coverage may be less on Sunday, and this front comes through late Sunday night into Monday. So again, the setup's been basically unchanged for basically almost 2.5 weeks now, with fronts unable to move across the mid-Atlantic. The Sunday-Monday front will have an opportunity to do that, and if it does, we'll get some drier air in here and a little break, a little reprieve from this pattern. But showers and storms here early tonight. That first alert weather day continues for a few more hours. Areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, after this weekend, trending a little drier right now, as we could certainly use a break in this pattern because it's been excessively wet, and of course there's a lot of things that just need to be done because we need some dry time.
Yes. A break will be welcome. I think a lot of us can agree with that. Thank you, Eric. Well,